In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We'll begin by opening your browser and heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is the starting line for building a new site or exploring templates. If you're already logged in, great, you'll see your familiar navigation. If not, go ahead and sign in so Squarespace can route you smoothly to your account tools. If you don't have an account yet, follow the on-screen prompts to set one up. It's quick, and using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication is a smart move. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for the profile icon. Click it to open your account options. From here, you'll get access to your personal settings and, most importantly, the link to your main account area. From that menu, open your account dashboard. This takes you to account.squarespace.com, which is the central hub for everything you own and manage: websites, subscriptions, domains, and billing. Think of it as mission control. It keeps all your projects organized and makes it easy to jump into the right site without hunting through different pages. Inside the dashboard, click on Website. This focuses the view on your sites and makes it easy to jump directly into the one you want to edit. Select the site you'll be working on, and Squarespace will load its editing interface so you can start making changes right away. Once you're in your site, open the page you want to customize and click Edit. Now you're in the visual editor. Hover to reveal the Add Block option, then choose Code. This is where you'll paste the code that builds your long-scrolling landing page in Squarespace 7.1. Your code can include clean HTML for structure, CSS for styling and spacing, and if needed, a small amount of JavaScript for interactions. Keep sections clearly separated, use semantic tags for accessibility, and make sure your layout is responsive by testing on desktop and mobile previews. If your plan restricts code blocks, you may need a plan that supports custom code. After pasting, use the preview to confirm the layout flows the way you expect: hero at the top, content sections stacked, and a clear call to action. If something doesn't display, double-check for missing closing tags or styles that conflict with the site's design settings. When everything looks right, save your changes. Then view the live page to confirm it loads quickly and reads well. A polished, long scroll experience should feel smooth, focused, and easy to navigate. That's it. You've moved from Squarespace's start page through your account dashboard into your site and added custom code to build a modern, long-scrolling landing page in Squarespace 7.1.